Well, good morning, everyone, on this beautiful Saturday morning. I mean, it is gorgeous out there statewide. We're seeing so much sunshine and, of course, the warm temperatures already. But that kind of concerns me just a little bit because we do have that potential for some severe weather, more isolated in nature as we head into the afternoon hours. And I tell you the reason why it's making me just a little bit concerned, because the more sunshine that you see, that kind of just primes the environment, the atmosphere, and gives it more energy. And those storms like to feed off of that energy to become severe. So let's break down what you can expect today on your Saturday afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Jay Deneau. So looking at your severe thunderstorm risk, this is issued by the National Weather Service. We do have that level 1 risk, including the metro area up and down the I-25 corridor until you get to about Colorado Springs, and then also over towards the western slope. That's in green. Level 2 risk is in yellow. Sterling, parts of Fort Morgan, Lyman, Kit Carson, and parts of Burlington is included with that. That's in yellow. And then we also have a level 3 risk, which is an enhanced risk. So that's for the northeastern portions of the state. So the timing to see these storms will mainly come after 12 p.m. So I would say about 12 p.m. until about 6 p.m. this evening will be the best time to see storms in your area. Now, this will be very isolated in nature. Everyone won't see the rain today. In some locations, it won't even rain today, but you'll definitely see those dark clouds around. So just be mindful of that if you have any outdoor activities, especially if you're heading to the Rockies game. So here's 10 a.m., noticing lots of sunshine. Then after 12 o'clock, here's 1:30. You can see those popcorn-looking things on your screen there. That's isolated storms. Some of them can have some heavy rain in them, maybe some small pea-sized hail, and also some gusty winds. That's going to continue as we head into the latter parts of the afternoon hours. Here's 3 p.m., but then noticing the darker red colors that you see on your screen now over towards the eastern plains. Those storms have potential of seeing some larger hail and also some gusty winds, and possibly even a spin-up tornado, maybe landspout, over towards the eastern plains. The environment is just a little bit better over there, over towards eastern Colorado. That's the reason for the level 2 and also level 3 risk. That's going to continue to the latter parts of the afternoon hours into the early evening. Here's 5 p.m. Noticing Denver, we're not seeing much as in precipitation, at least with this model run, but still across the foothills. And then that's going to finally clear up as we head into the evening hours. Here's a closer look across the Front Range. 1 p.m., some isolated showers, hit or miss. 2 p.m., maybe raining in Denver, but for the most part, not a wide coverage. But over towards Byers, you can see that's a bigger cell there that's isolated. That could have the potential of producing maybe some large hail and gusty winds as well. And that same storm system will kind of drift up towards the north, towards Fort Morgan, and that can also have the potential of seeing the damaging winds and also the severe risk as well. So that's going to continue to track towards the east before finally clearing out as we head into the evening hours. So that's for Saturday. For Sunday, we're talking about very similar things. Level 1 risk, once again, for us here in Denver. Level 2 for the eastern portions of the state. So the timing for that, yep, you guessed it, after 12 o'clock till about 6 p.m. More scattered in nature than isolated, though. You can see we'll have a better chance of actually seeing the rain because of that cold front coming through. So we have 1 p.m. raining in Denver, and then maybe even a little bit stronger storms along the I-70 corridor towards Burlington and up towards Sterling. That will continue to the early evening hours before finally clearing out. But then we might see some mountain snow as we head into Monday evening into Tuesday morning because we are tracking a system. So let's talk about the severe threats. We do have really just focusing on large hail and damaging winds. The tornado threat is low, but it's not zero, especially across the eastern plains. So just be mindful, have ways to get your weather alerts, download our app, as well as just watch our Weather Impact team as well. So as we head into next week, we're tracking a very strong low pressure system. That's going to give us a lot of precipitation, especially on Monday, and also cooler temperatures Monday, Monday into Tuesday as well. So Tuesday morning is looking to be freezing, 32 degrees. So I know that's a lot of shock to all your plants out there that you already put out there after Mother's Day. Make sure you bring them inside and put the cover on them. Right now we're at 65 degrees already. Lots of sunshine outside. Highs today will get up to 81 degrees here in Denver. A lot of 90s towards the southeastern portions of the state. 87 today in Grand Junction as well. So for the most part, a very warm day across the entire state. We do have an elevated fire risk, a fire weather warning down mainly south along the I-25 corridor towards Pueblo, Trinidad, and also parts of the high country. So just be mindful of that. The rest of your 7-day forecast, though, I mean, warm today, warm tomorrow, and then much cooler Monday, Tuesday, and then finally starting to warm back up into next weekend. The 70s return, and even the 80s will return as we head into next weekend. But noticing rain chances each and every day, especially on Monday. Monday looks to be your soupy weather day. You know, just stay inside, watch the rain, maybe take a nap if you're off of work type of day. But for the most part, stay up to date with all of our weather updates, because today we do have, the chance and potential for severe weather, especially as we head into tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I'm Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Jada Knows. Remember, be kind to someone. You never know what someone's going through.